What do you think on the allocation?
What is your position on what the Senate said? So, do you feel that these allegations are reasonable? How do you feel?
Why do you have a light bulb?
Thank you very much.
What up, CHS? I'm Charlie.
And I'm Jack, and this is Columbia Cougar News.
The CHS Jazz Club will have an information and organization meeting today after school at 3:30 in the CHS Band Room, C233. Anyone who plays or wants to learn how to play jazz is invited to attend.
Also today, the CHS fencing team will hold a meeting tonight from 7 to 8:30 p.m. in the cafeteria for anyone who is new to fencing. You'll learn more about the sport and how the season will be approached. Please plan to bring a parent and or guardian with you.
Attention families of CHS seniors. Be sure to check out the Class of 2022 webpage at the following website. And there is also a Facebook page for CHS Class of 22 families that you can join by going here.
Also, don't forget to sign up for a senior meeting with your counselor by visiting the Meet the Team page on the counseling website and clicking on Request an Appointment.
And if you want to say thanks to anyone, the CHS Infinite Step Team is hosting a gobblegram. It will be sold all week during the lunch periods. For $3, you can send a personal note and candy to the person you want to thank.
The Parnassian Society's production of Equus will open up Thursday at 8 p.m. Future performances will be on Friday and Saturday at 8 p.m., and the show will have its closing performance on Sunday at 2 p.m. Make sure you get your tickets.
The Maplewood South Orange Turkey Trot 5K and Kids Fun Run is back. The event will be held on November 20th at 10 a.m. at South Mountain Reservation. Pre-registration is $25 and day of registration is $35. For more information or to sign up, go to the link below.
Turning now to sports, we recently got an up-close and personal look at the CHS girls field hockey team in a new CCN segment called Mic'd Up.
Oh yeah, coming on me.
Today we're on our last field hockey practice of the season, and we're going to be following Mariana. Got our mic. What? Use your stick as a mic. Wham! Uh-oh. Oh, Sawyer, no, Sawyer.
This is our coach, Coach B, or Busy Cash. Say what's up.
What's up?
Yeah, she's the best. Go Barker! Yeah!
Oh, cough it up, cough it.
She's hooking up a loogie. Corner time! At least he's lost. See where you going? Thanks for following me at practice.
The first quarter ends this Friday, November 19th. Teachers, grades are due on November 24th, and report cards will be published on Power School on November 30th.
Remember everyone, next Wednesday the 24th we have a half day, and we are off from school on next Thursday and Friday for Thanksgiving break. And speaking of Thanksgiving, make sure to tune in next Wednesday for the annual CCN Thanksgiving special.
Those are all your announcements for this week, CHS. I'm Charlie.
And I'm Jack. Remember, teachers, club advisors, team captains, if you have an announcement that you want read on our show, make sure you email it to Mr. Camp.
Have a great week, everyone, and make sure to tune in every Monday at the top of second period, and check out our YouTube channel for more great content at Columbia Cougar News.
Where do you stand on the allegations? Why won't my grandson call me? Timmy, I swear I'm a changed man. I love you, Timmy. I'm sorry about what I said about your boyfriend. Please.
Why are show ratings going down?
Help.
Why is the show failing?
Why?
Help.